when do you feel most alive? As restaurateurs, our sharpest tool is often our rawest emotions. So for us to stay relevant, we need to stay inspired.
When it comes to food, I think creativity suffers in a comfortable place. We talk about this a lot, and these conversations tend to eventually end up in travel plans.
By the end of the trip, Roberto's, of course, itching to get back into the kitchen.
The brilliant simplicity of the shrimp from Portugal.
A uniquely New Orleans steak on the muffaletta.
The cafe we found when we got caught in a storm. The vineyard we were invited to by new friends we met on a train.
The vibrancy that is found in the hidden corners of the Lower East Village.
The fresh philosophy of cocktail that we picked up in the Caribbean.
Every little detail of this space is inspired by the magical little synchronicities that we've had the pleasure to be a part of.
The way we see it, human beings were meant to be nomadic, adapting to new environments and ingredients as we go. This is why we feel most alive when we're discovering new sensations.
And why there's no greater teacher than travel. It's because we're human. We created Bar Ardo to chase this feeling every night.